And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's bowl off with cricket. Cricket West Indies President Dave Cameron has revealed that the board will be hiring a new bowling coach ahead of the ICC World Cup qualifiers in Zimbabwe in March. Former Barbados fast bowler Roddy Estwick has been the West Indies bowling coach since May 2016, when he replaced Curtly Ambrose, who had served as a consultant. But while not wanting to name the coach, Cameron says with the team having struggled recently in New Zealand, the change will be made official before the March 4 to 25 tournament.
A different bowling coach. We will certify the batting.
Who is that? Who's the bowling coach?
I'm not sure. I'm at liberty to disclose at this point.
But you're the big man, you know.
Well, you know,
you have the liberty. You can take liberties.
Protocol. But he's not from the region.
Okay.
Again, we want to bolster our bowling. Because again, I believe if we have good bowlers, then whatever we get to make our batting, we'll take care of that.
TVJ Sports, as the president just said, understands the new bowling coach is from overseas. We understand he is a former South African bowler.